Hi guys, today on Cooking with the Coaches I'm going to take you through a black bean burger recipe I found online. This is not my own, but it turned out so good last time, so I'm going to do them again with you guys. So we're going to start by drying out 2 cans of black beans, and I only had one, so I did 1 can of black beans, 1 can of garbanzo beans. We're going to put them in the oven at 325 for about 15 minutes to get these to dry out. The beans are drying out. I'm going to get onion. It's half an onion, half a bell pepper, and then about 3 cloves of minced garlic sauteing. This is what's going to give the beans most of their flavor. Now that we've sauteed the peppers, onions, and garlic, we're going to add that to the food processor along with 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a cup of breadcrumbs. I left the feta out because people here can't do dairy. And then 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire, and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. And we're just going to blend this all in the food processor and move on to the next step. Now that we have this nice and pureed, when the beans finish, we'll add the beans to this and get those all pureed in here as well. The beans have been combined, and now I'm going to form this into 6 to 7 patties, and we're going to cook them just on a pancake griddle, so I will show you how they look in just a second. They are coming along nicely. You want to cook them for about 8 minutes on each side until they get that nice golden color. And then you can serve them on a bun just like you would any burger, or you can eat them by themselves. So I'll show you what my plate looks like in just a moment. The bean burgers have finished, and I am eating it with a little bit of this pepper jelly on top, and then some broccoli stumps. We had some frozen broccoli left, and we're just kind of cleaning out what we have, and so I don't want to waste anything, so the stumps it is. Thanks for following along on this, guys, and we will see you next time.